Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby. I'm a braider based in Kwara State, Nigeria, and today we are going to be doing another custom color blend video. I've actually uploaded a couple custom color blend videos, so I'm going to be leaving them in the right top corner of the screen so you can go check it out. But for today's video, we are going to be using two colors, the color 350, which is ginger, and the color 613, which is blonde. So at the end of this video, I am going to be leaving a clip of what the blend looks like in braids, because I did the blend for my client, so I have a clip of it. I'm just going to drop it at the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I still have a whole lot of custom color blend videos on my phone. I really do not know what to upload for you guys because I really want to satisfy you. So please drop a comment below telling me what else you would like to see on my channel, and then if you have any suggestion or anything, just drop it in the comment section down below. I never believed I was going to say this thing, but yeah, down below in drop a comment down below. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your loved ones, your family members, or your brother when next you want to make a video, when next you want to make your hair rather. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.